important lang, China must realize that even if we're friends, everybody is insisting on what rights do they have in the passage of the China Sea, including us. So we do not want to put more strain because everybody is contesting it. Now, I have been criticized. Bakit ko raw pinabalik yung Nipahat? Yung mga Nipahat, doon yun sa yung sand movement, sa sand, yung excavation doon. And these were the sands that were carried away by the currents to the island. Parang naging accretion. But that is not recognized dito sa... no. We do not claim that right. Kaya ko pinaalis, sinabi ko, ang predicate ko that it is not only Philippines against China in